Nice. That's good. That's good. What? Oh, is that him? Hello everyone, I am Matt Fans, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Now, last time left off, we went to this place as Ratchet to get something like, I don't know, probably some ingredients or crafting recipe for the dimensional ray, and that's where we met our new ally, Kit. Although that's not her true name, but that's what we're giving her. That's what everyone's calling her, Kit. And she's been a really good ally. Heck, she turned into a gigantic mech in last episode. That was extremely awesome, honestly. Also, she did have red eyes, so we did take it as enemy. That she was an enemy, but she didn't want to be an enemy anymore. But hey, Clank was supposed to be an enemy, but he was a defect. And then he turned out to be a great ally to Ratchet. So now we're gonna probably either do something, I don't know. I guess we should find, maybe in this episode, find Mr. Fix-It as a Rivet? I don't know. But before we do all that, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome, and yeah, don't forget the like button, comment down below. What's your favorite thing about Kit? What do you like about her? Do you like that she looks like a different version of Clank? Or anything. I don't know. And don't forget to join Dragon by subscribing and ring the bell icon so you get notified whenever and whatever upload. Alright. Let's go ahead and jump. There we go. Let's see. Oh, something's coming in through him. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's just you being an asshole. Uh-huh. What kind of lies? Yeah. Yes. Obviously. Yeah. Really? Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I think that's a lie. What? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Well, that is true of them. Sure. What's your truth? Uh-huh. How much is that? Uh-huh. That's gotta be a lie. Uh-huh. Highly doubt it. Oh, no. As you explore the planet of collectibles, interests. Okay. Okay. What a hit. What happened?
Your nefarious seems as obscenely awful as ours.
What just happened?
Yeah, he's something else.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Oh, look at that! Oh, that makes a lot of sense. I see the little icon in the corner. This one we play as Rivet, and this one we play as Ratchet. Okay, so let's play as Rivet. We're gonna go in, I'm gonna try, like, in some kind of, take turn order. Alright. Does this mean Rivet doesn't have, like, the little boosty feetsies?
This mission will be a straightforward one.
Hope so.
I don't know about your dimension,
What?
but out here, things
Okay.
never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
Uh-huh.
I
Okay.
also have a talent for improvisation.
Uh-huh.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
Okay. Alrighty then. Let's go. Can we...
Let's get some phase core
Oh, we
techniques.
do. She does have that.
The fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I hope so too.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Oh, yeah, ammo. Oh, good. Frogs. I hope that wasn't not evil. Go away! Oh, here we go. Go away! Fire! 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 Go away. Shoot. I say shoot. Bad frogs. Nice. Oh, here comes some more frogs. This! That!
Bet it was a raid. Places
Oh.
like this usually have to fend for themselves
Oh.
against bandits
Okay.
or pirates.
Ooh, that's not good. Now, is it? Ooh, that looks like it's something. Boost! Oh, wait. I didn't boost yet. Boost! Whee! Well, God!
Knows where to
Ah!
find it.
That was close.
Knowledgeable about the area.
Uh-huh.
Hope they are more hospitable than the bullards in my
Okay.
dimension.
Alright. I didn't really realize what they said, but they're probably talking about dimensions. Whee! Bolt! Wow, another bolt.
So shiny.
Nice. Alright. We got 2 out of 25. That was by accident. Alright. So let's boost up. Jump! Nice. Alright. I wonder what happens if I just missed out a Ratchet part. I don't know. Alright.
Pardon me.
Made it.
Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Yeah.
They're being
Oh.
cautious.
Okay. That sucks. Excuse me. Can I ask you some questions? Oh, guess not. Ah! Oh! Ow! Go away! Alright. I see you. There we go. And yet you still hurt me. Ow! Ooh, rare titanium. Would have definitely missed that. I didn't take a look at my back.
If I were a fixer,
Uh-huh.
what would I be?
I don't know.
Fixing things, I suspect.
Okay. Let's see. Hello? Is there any fixers around here? I need something to fix. This crystal. Hey. Alright. What the heck happened?
New tourists?
Oh.
Welcome to the jewel of our galaxy.
Uh-huh.
Please, enjoy
I
yourself.
guess.
Did you know Malinoth means paradise in Junkish?
Okay.
Is the fixer on this planet?
Yeah, is he?
He most definitely is. Great
Nice.
guy, the best, and
Okay.
single, if either of you are interested.
No?
We were
Guess.
told that he can fix phase quartz.
Uh-huh.
Quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz.
Nice.
Anything.
That's good. That's good. What? Oh, is that him?
We've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help
Oh.
because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few
Oh.
days of totally crushing them, he just,
Okay.
broke.
That sucks.
Perhaps we could fix him.
Future
Maybe.
looks like you could straighten him out in a Malinoth minute.
Oh, okay.
The path to him was destroyed in the last
All right.
raid, so you'll need a hurl shot.
Got it.
Oh,
Hurl
and I
shot.
got one in the smelting pits further ahead.
Uh-huh.
Lucky you.
Okay. Let's see. Ooh.
So, after this, sir,
Ooh, that looks awesome.
going to the Lombax dimension?
Ow.
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain.
Uh-huh.
Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid?
What?
Why afraid?
it is
Okay.
complicated.
All right.
Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go,
Oh,
I will.
what happened? I totally missed out a conversation. I was too busy looking at that buzzsaw. I'm thinking I'm gonna like that buzzsaw. Alright. There we go. Let's see. Fire! No! Bad lizards! Don't screw with me! Not lizards. They're not lizards, that's crabs. I think. Are they? Or lizard? What defines as a crab? Uh-oh. Go away! Bad insect! You're just being a jerk. Go away! Oh, I'm running out of ammo. Fire! Go away! Ow! Come on. Die! Go. How many are you? Come on. Die already. There. Sheesh. How annoying. Ooh, 2 pathways.
They're the
Think.
smelting pits across the canyon.
Oh. Okay, I guess we gotta go over there, but I want to go down in, there.
But there is no way
Ooh.
to reach it.
Okay.
Time to improvise.
Oh, cool. Before we improvise, I want to go down here, see what they have. What's in down here? Because there's boxes which has money in them. That's nice. I love money. I mean, who doesn't like money? All right. Whack. Here there, tanium. All right. You know.
It's huge.
Yes, and I am not
Okay.
thrilled about the name either.
Yeah, I guess
You
so.
must find one at the smelting pits.
Uh-huh.
Watch out.
Oh, God. That was close. Anyways, as I was saying, despite the name of Raretanium, it's not really that rare. Alright, I've been finding them pretty much all around the galaxy, throughout the galaxy.
A smelting
Heck,
pit
even
is
some
just
bosses
where
have
a
them.
hurl shot should
Ooh,
be.
ooh, can I reach over there? No.
Something to
Okay,
do with
that
them all
sucks.
getting recalled recently.
I'm sad now.
Something about fractured spines?
What? What happened?
Dear.
I'm sorry, I just entered this conversation. What's this go? What's going on? Bolt! What are the odds I find another bolt? I'm finding them like crazy now.
Out of our way.
There we go. Nice.
Unpleasant.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright. There we go. Nice.
This rail system
Oh.
seems exceedingly dangerous.
Yes.
Just hang
What do
on.
you think?
Go straight to the smelting pits.
Uh-huh.
Afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
That seems about right. Okay.
Piece of
Nice! Whew! Made it. Uh-oh, pirates! Yar har shivery tea. Oh, it's not him again. Dang it. I hate these guys.
This looks useful. In fact,
Uh-huh.
I've a notion that it be crucial.
Okay.
It seems fate has brought us together.
Sure.
Ma petite rivette.
Guess
Okay.
they really love seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Pretty much, yeah, I think.
Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys!
Uh-huh.
Attack!
No, you ain't charging so far.
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
Come on.
Now we can get that hurl shot.
Come on.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Come on. Okay. See.
Get creative.
Go. Come on. Go.
Gotta get around that shield.
See. Ow. Oh, that's the end of that. Give me a second. Alright. Have some of this! Oh, well, you did have some of that. Ow. There we go. Shotgun! Get over here! Go away! Right. Fire! Come on.
Did you talk him to death?
Die!
I would love to take the credit, but
Die! Ow, dang it.
this is a mystery to me.
Come on.
I will enjoy
Let's go.
something
Die. Perfect. Fire! Alright. Okay. Let's see. I tried to drill. Fire! Whoop. Nice. Oh, that's out ammo. And I got hurt. Funyuns. Come on. Get wrapped up. And whack, whack, whack. Whack! Alright. Fire! Come on. There we go. Whew! Now collect my bounty. Ratanium! I mean, I know it's technically not rare to find Ratanium, but hey, upgrade is upgrade. There's more? Go away! Oh, I'm out of ammo with that one. Shotgun! There we go. Shotgun! Alright, perfect. How are you alive? Dummy.
That's all of them. Let's get that
Alright.
hurl shot down.
Yeah, let's do that. But first, I see another Ratanium right over there. Don't mind me, I'm grabbing the Ratanium, and I think that's bad to go in there. I don't know why I think to go in the little whatever, boiling, whatnot. So, what we got? I'm gonna collect it. What is it? I don't know, shiny, and I want it. Ooh, upgrade our arm.
Hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that
Okay.
filled chasm and find the fixer.
Hurl shot. Oh my gosh!
My spine!
Oh, wow!
Tis a mistake to get between pirates and
Uh-oh.
their plundering.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yourselves.
Have some plants! Whoop. Come on. There we go. Nice.
If Molotov is mostly junk,
Alright.
what are they hoping to loot here?
Here we go.
They're better to find
I don't know.
treasure than on a junk planet.
And fire! Nice. Oh, hell. I don't have that much ammo right in there. But I can fire with this!
So she
Come on. Shock! Shock yourselves! Come on. Nice. Come on. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
Ow. Alright. See, I got drill. Yep. Nice. Leveled up! Ooh, you're all dead! You're all gonna die! My gun leveled up! My shock rifle or thingy leveled up! Come on! Perfect.
Maybe the fixer will help finish
Come on.
it off.
Let's go. Nice. Perfect.
Then again, we seem to be
Alright.
doing pretty well on our own.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright. Whack all these. And grab ammo. Where do we go next? Huh? Hello? Oh, we go over there. Anyways. Launch me! Whee!
Incoming.
Hey, don't mind we're on the board, right? Uh-huh. Here we go. Whack.
You're the one getting in my
Go away. Yeah. You idiot. Ouch! Jerk! Perfect. There. Ow. That's rude. Alright. You wanna play rough? Fine. We can play. Well, that sucked. Where are we gonna land? Right there. Perfect. Okay. Come over here. Uh-huh.
You always get in my way.
Yes.
You're the one getting in my way.
Obviously, you dingus. You poor excuse for a pirate. Fire! And die. Go and die. Ow! Alright. That sucks. Oh, hey, where did you come from, you dingus? Perfect. Alright. So, let's go get the drill again. Fire! Fire! And that was the last of my drill. Grenades for everybody! And that's the last of my grenades. Alright. Go ahead and go over there and shoot you with my shotgun. Hi. Goodbye. Nice. Take this! Take this! Okay, fine. Have some of this!
Again with the shields.
There we go. Knock you. Nice. Oh, nice. Thank you. Perfect. Oh. Take this. Nope. There we go. And take this. Nice! It leveled up. Perfect. Who knew that this stupid plant thing would be helping me out today? Money well spent. Or bolts well spent. Uh-oh. Arr, arr. It's Bigums is back. Fire! And fire! Fire! Oh. Fire! Ah! Sheesh. Fire! Come on. And I'm out of ammo! Hi. Goodbye. Ow. And grab that. Ow! That was annoying. Since I've got drill power. Ow! Fire! Drill gun! Come on. There we go. Ooh! Alright, so. Like this. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright. Come on. Go. Come on. Die! Oh no! Paul's bunion cream! Fire!
No, we are not.
Come on. Ow! Jerk! Hang on. Fire! Come on. And out of ammo. And now let's go for this. Ow. Take that. Come on. Go. Ow. There we go. Let's go. Stop jumping around. Hold the heck still. Good. I have no ammo right there. Nope. Alright. Take this! Die! Come on. There we go. Jeez, that was annoying. Oh, look. Some more. How you like that, you dingus? Uh-huh.
Expenses!
What?
Are ye sure?
I have no idea what you say. I don't know. Where are you going? Oh, those are cannons. I think we're on that ship.
I suggest we abandon ship.
Yeah.
Suggestion noted.
Okay. Whoa. Oof. Ow. That hurt.
Nice one,
See.
Bolts.
Okay.
I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
It'll be too soon.
This zircon, make you a deal.
Dang it! You're still not ready for upgrades. You know, getting more weapon. There we go. Nice.
I do like the sight of that.
All right. What else can we get? Let's see. Start leveling up this.
Made that upgrade.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Alright. See if we got... Let's see if we can have enough for this one. There we go. And perfect. Nice. Toxic spores. Okay. There we go. There we go.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Upgrade that.
Alright. And like that.
Now use the hurl
All
shot
that.
to reach the fixer.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's go over here. And... Whee! Nice.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is
Uh-huh.
not what I expected.
This!
Perhaps when he is not fighting.
Oh, really? You didn't expect it to be a giant robot? Then again, I have no idea what it would be either. Go away! You dingus! You want some too? I got plenty to go around. Go away! Get over here. There we go. Alright, your turn. Perfect. Jeez, these things come out of nowhere. Ay, ay. Go away! Ay, ay. That was annoying. Alright, but I saw something over yonder.
Another pocket dimension.
Let's see
I
what we
can
can
be
do here.
persuaded.
Alright, get all that. Get all that. Nice.
One last speedle ride.
Uh-huh. Oh! Okay. Alright. So how do we... Okay, that... Okay. There we go. Go around. And collect all these. That's money in our pockets. Currency in our pockets, not money. Jeez, I want to call it money all this time, isn't it? Am I? Nope. Whoop. Jump! Ow. Well, I'm gonna have to need that back. Hopefully there's... Yes, there is another. There is others. Hop on. Fire! There we go. Jump! There we go. Jump! Nice. Alright. Scan around, see if there's any boxes for me to destroy. I don't see any boxes, so... Let's go! Whee! Okay. All over here. Boxes? Any secrets? Bolts? No? Okay. Jump! Oh. Well, that wasn't ready yet. Oop! Perfect. Nice. What new armor pierce did we get?
Ooh, I love the look of that.
Ooh, I like that one too.
Exit.
Okay. So how do we get back? Oh, that's how. Alright. Let's go back then. Alright. Perfect.
So weird.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Okay.
Both, I guess? Now, let's go fling ourselves over there! The pirates are back! Gang nabbit! Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's another one. Nope. Oh, wrong one. Ah! Hang on. There! Ow! There we go. Come on. There. There. Ow! Come on.
Were you saying something, Pierre?
Jeez! Oh, come on! That's annoying.
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those whips.
There we go. Come on.
Keep 'em coming, Pierre.
Ow!
Just waiting for you to come down and fight for
Come on.
yourself.
Die. There. Ow!
Were you saying
Go away.
Pierre? I stopped listening.
Oh, God. Retreat! Come on. There we go.
Good thing you'll
Alright. So. Die, die, die. Oh, come on. I thought you died. I'm about to die, too. I died. Crap. Go over here. Oh, come on.
By tethering to those whips.
Alright. Fine. Drill! Okay, how do I...
I'm coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight for yourself.
Come on. Come on. Perfect. There.
Were you saying something, Pierre?
Come on.
I stopped listening.
Come on. I'm out of that ammo. Crap. Come on. Ow!
We'll never have to find out.
Oh, God. Ugh. Perfect. Got health. So you know what will be better? More health. Come on. Come on. Right. There. Ow. Ow. Come on. Come on. This is really freaking impossible. Ah. There we go. Alright. Sling me over there. Okay. That should be safe for about a couple more minutes. Alright. Hi. Go away. Die. Ow! Oh, come on! Oh, I hate these frickin' pirates. Alright. There's just like no way to beat them.
Solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the side.
There we go. There. Yeah, I guess so.
Pierre, I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight for yourself.
Come on. There. Come on. There.
Were you saying something, Pierre?
Ow.
I stopped listening.
Come on. There. Uh-oh. Alright.
We'll never have to find
Fungus guys! Come out and help me! There we go. I need more fungus guys now. See. There we go. There we go. Come on. Destroy the shield. Alright. No! Of course there'd be one more. Ow! Ow! There we go. Nice. How you stupid-o! Alright. Okay, I think I'm about to level up my health soon. Come on. And die. Okay, come on. Ow! Jerk! There. Whew. Yeah. If I face another pirate guy, it'll be too soon. Ay. Go ahead and grab some health. Alright. Not again! Nope. Ay. There. Ah! Go away! Oh wait. Let's try out this one. Ooh. Nice. Drop level 6. Ooh. Ow. Okay. Ow. Oh, this is what it does. Acts as a shield. Yep. Why am I not even using this? There we go.
Now Pierre will take the hint.
Nice.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Yeah. That seems about right. There we go. And fling me! Here we go again. Ooh, wait. Ricochet! Nope. Nope. Come on. There we go. Come on. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Let's see. Now for the laser. There we go. And fire! Whoa! Oh, I thought he disappeared for a second. There we go. Ow! Come on! Not again! Yay. Come on. Okay, I need health. Fast. Come on! Oh. Okay. Come on. Nice! Leveled up! Come on. Okay. Let's go with shock. Come on. Be paralyzed. Come on. Ow. Come on. Die already. Whew. All right.
If the phase quartz cannot be
That was
Deep trouble.
freaking
There's no point
heck.
worrying about it now.
All right. We go over here. Let's go over here. Uh-oh. Ah! What the heck? Oh. These guys again. These guys. Ow. Go away. I need health fast. Go away! Alright. What is going on?
Gotta patch up.
Did I win? Why was this a thing? Okay. Guess it was just for bolts, I guess? And fling me! And oh, okay. I didn't get ready to fling. Oh, whatever. Okay. There we go. Nice. And pull.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I need the health. I need to fix me first.
Was he turned
Go.
off because he was broken?
Okay.
on switch.
Oh. Why does the fixer have an on switch? That just seems stupid. Anyways. Whatever. There we go. Mr. Fixer is back online.
Are you,
Okay?
okay?
Are you okay?
No.
Oh.
I am broken.
Oh.
As is everything.
Okay.
Nothing can be fixed.
I think he has a midlife crisis. Oh! Well, that's a good midlife crisis. Okay, now take it back. That's a bad midlife crisis. Okay.
Pirates are taken care of.
Yeah, now we gotta face this guy. Story of my life.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Yeah, that sucks. Come on. Nice. Alright. And there. Jeez.
Is he the breaker now?
Probably. And fling. Nope. Oh God.
Talking about me?
I don't know.
Don't listen to him, Bolts.
Oh.
If you're broken, so am I.
Oh.
And I think we're
Okay.
awesome.
That's nice pep talk.
Do
Yep.
you have any
And
ideas? I'm having a hard
there we
time
go.
thinking while running away from a giant homicidal
Yeah.
robot.
Honestly.
Working on it.
I don't know. Probably have him go in there and then do something.
Mine's close.
Alright.
Great.
Okay. There we go. I saw Raritanium. Hang on. Raritanium! Acquired. More Raritanium! Acquired. Ooh. What just happened? I didn't do it. I didn't do that. I did that. I don't know. Okay. I can fix you.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh God. So are we. We're gonna fall.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Oh, good. Okay, that's a good checkpoint. Yep. And sling me. Oh God. Here we go. Sliding down.
Can everything
Nice.
stop falling apart, please?
That would be nice. I would like that too. Whee. Uh-oh. Oh God. You can handle yourself. What are you thinking, Ratchet? Or Clank? What?
I am fixed.
What?
Doing.
What? Yeah. Oh.
I may be different than I was.
Okay.
You helped me realize I am still Clank.
What? Wait. What?
I quite relieved.
What? That's it? Oh, that was anticlimactic.
Protect them. It opened my eyes to a great many broken things.
Uh-huh.
So
okay.
very many.
And you became
Okay.
distressed.
Oh.
Being able to fix another.
Yeah.
To see that all is not lost.
Yeah, of course, friend. Speaking of fix, can you fix something?
I ever repay
Ah, yeah, speaking of.
Can you fix this?
Yes. Oh. Thank you. Neat. All fixed. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You just gave an old
Uh-huh.
giant robot the gift of hope.
Oh,
Should be
nice.
I who is thanking you.
I guess we can both thank each other. Alright. Well, we did that now.
Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new dimensionator.
he hasn't done that
So,
quite
Are we
yet.
gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
Really?
Did
He did?
Did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
Oh,
I
okay.
thank you, Rivet?
Nice. That's nice. Nice for her to say. But unfortunately, we're just about out of time. So thank you guys for watching, guys. We helped the fixer with his midlife crisis. And yeah, I guess next episode we're gonna go see if Ratchet's gonna go fix the Dimensionator. Did I say it right? I hope so. With those blueprints, it's really a lot different than my Dimension Machine. But I don't know. Maybe it'll be better than what mine was. Who's to say? So anyways, guys, I'm out, fam, and I'll see you next episode. Bye-bye!